Hey beauties, if you're interested in how I made this gorgeous body butter, then stay tuned to this video on how to make body butter. Let's get into this DIY. Let's go.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let.
Starting off with our shea butter, we're gonna add I think this may be about an ounce to the bowl, and then I'm going to add up to 5 to 10 drops of the apricot kernel oil to the bowl as well. After I finish doing that, I'm going to take my organic rosehip oil and add 5 to 10 drops to the oil and butter mixture. And then by now, you know, I like to do the double boil method. So I'm turning it on high heat, and I'm going to place the bowl into another pot and begin to let this mixture melt. So you are more than welcome to try it in the microwave, but I just prefer it over the stove. It's more easier to control how the butter melts if I'm doing it over the stove versus in the microwave. And then you're just gonna keep stirring until the oil and butters have completely melted, and then you will take your arrowroot powder and add maybe just about a teaspoon of that to the oil butter mixture. What arrowroot powder does, it helps the body butter not be so greasy. And I have learned pretty much how to eyeball just how much arrowroot powder to add to my body butters now. So I will have to try to do a video with exact measurements really soon. So you're going to continue to stir the arrowroot powder until it's completely dissolved into the body butter mixture, and it gives a beautiful golden tone to the butters. Taking it off the heat, I am going to take my heating gun next after I stir it in some more, just to check the temperature to see if it's cool enough for me to add my preservative, which it is. And I'm just going to add some preservative to the body butter mixture. Depending on the preservative, it'll tell you on the bottle just how what temperature it should be. And this part is optional. I like to do emu oil, which helps with moisture for dry skin. Anything to add moisture to my butters, I'm all for. Then finale, we're gonna add in our colors. You add your colors of your choice. I'm going for a reddish tone, and I'm going to be adding these 2 different red mica colors to my mixture, and then I'm going to stir it in until the mixture of the 2 colors have blended very well. This looks so beautiful, you guys. And then we're going to add in our fragrance of your choice. Oh my god, it smells so good, y'all. I'm adding about 5 to 10 drops of this because I want my butter to smell, baby. I want it to smell. I want you to get your money's worth. I want it to smell good, feel good, and moisturize your skin and just have you feeling so good about yourself. And then we're going to stir that fragrance in really, really well. And then after you're stirring the fragrance into the butter mixture, we're going to take it and we're going to pour it into our container. I eyeballed this so good. I didn't measure a thing, y'all, and I had just enough for this container for this video. I'm so proud of myself. And this is what it looks like. And then I'm going to take it and put it in the freezer for the sake of this video. And voila. I added my little razzle dazzles during the freezing part of this. And there you have it, your final look. If you like this video and would like to see more DIY, small business tips and more, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.
wonder, baby, I wonder.